If you're battling with common hair issues such as dandruff, hair loss, dryness, and even frizzy hair, then allow me to introduce to you this amazing natural solution using only 2 ingredients such as fenugreek and black seed. These powerful ingredients are packed with nutrients that promote hair growth and scalp health. Now let's dive into how they can actually help you with your hair. This seed right here is called black seed. Now black seed can be considered a miracle to your scalp, mainly because it is packed with many nutrients including antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to reduce hair fall and dandruff. It also helps to strengthen your hair shaft, leaving your hair feeling healthy and shinier. Next is fenugreek, and fenugreek is packed with nutrients such as protein, iron, and vitamin that strengthens the roots of your hair, helping reduce hair fall and promote thicker hair growth. It also works wonders for dandruff and dryness, leaving you with a smoother, softer hair. Now let's move on to how you can actually make and use these 2 ingredients. Now for this video I am making a tea spray from it, and for my tea spray I used 1.5 tablespoon of fenugreek seed and 1 tablespoon of black seed. Now into it I am going to pour my hot water and then mix it properly until it is combined, and I'm going to cover it and let it sit overnight. Okay, so cover it, set it aside, and let it sit for at least 12 hours. Now after 12 hours, this is what it looks like. My fenugreek seed has doubled in size. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is to strain it. If you want to get everything, all the nutrients out, you can shake shake it, and when you do this, the water is going to come out thicker. Okay, and then save it to extract your juice. Now guys, I am not going to throw away this seed because I am going to be using it to deep condition or pre-poo my hair when next I want to wash my hair. So what I'm going to do now is to put it in the same jar and leave it in my fridge until I am ready to use it, in the freezer rather, until I am ready to use it. Okay, so now I'm going to get my clean spray jar, my clean spray bottle, and transfer my juice into it, and this is exactly what it looks like. It's very thick. I didn't get plenty water, but if you want you can add more water, and trust me, you will still get everything out. So this is my hair. I washed my hair a few days back and I didn't moisturize it because I want to show you guys how I do it. All right, so this is what I do. Apply the mixture on my hair. Okay, so I focus on my scalp and then on the length of my hair. This is necessary if you want a well moisturized hair. Okay, so spray it on the roots of your hair and then on the shaft, like on your hair strands, and massage it in properly. Use your finger to finger detangle your hair. It is important. And guys, if you've not been using your finger to detangle your hair prior to using comb this year 2025, please just try to use your finger to detangle your hair. I know that it is not easy for most people. It is not easy for me as well, but as you can see, I've been practicing and I think I am improving. I've not reached the point where I will detangle my hair solely with my finger, but I think I am heading somewhere. Okay, so what I do now, after moisturizing your hair with this herbal hair tea, please make sure that you seal it. Don't do this process finish and just maybe twist your hair and let it be. No, you have to seal it. Okay, and in this video I am using a very thick pomade to seal mine. If you want to see how I made this pomade, once the video is ready, I'm going to leave it up here and also in the comment or description box, or I don't know, maybe at the end screen too, once the video is ready. Okay, so now that I've finished sealing my hair, I am going to twist it and then I'll move on to the next one. But then can you see how shiny my hair is looking already? Yeah, that is the effect of this hairspray. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to continue with the same routine. Please make sure that you are spraying this mixture on your scalp. It is very important. to spray it on your scalp first and then you proceed, especially if your hair is thinning. Okay, if you're battling with thinning hair, then you should take care of your scalp and proceed to the length of your hair. This is so that the new growth that will come out from your root, from the root of your hair, is going to be stronger and more resistant to breakage. All right. So now for added moisture, I am going to apply a leave-in conditioner, a mega growth leave-in conditioner. After I finish applying the spray, I will coat it further with a leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice, anyone that you already have at hand. Okay, and I will then seal with my pomade. Okay, this way your hair can stay moisturized for up to 3 to 4 days or even 7 days, depending on how you take care of your hair without drying out. What I mean by how you take care of your hair is whether or not you are covering your hair properly with a satin bonnet. Okay, because that helps a whole lot. Now gently finger detangle your hair. When detangling your hair, please don't be in a hurry. Use your finger first and then use the comb. Okay, so at the end of the day, to make sure that my hair, the moisture in my hair lasts longer, I went ahead and I braided my hair. Right, instead of this twist, I loosened the twist, oiled my scalp, and then I braided my hair. You are not going to see that part in this video because I did it off camera. I was filming and the NEPA took the light, so I completed the video off camera. So let's talk about how you can actually preserve these products. So now when you make this hairspray and you have remainder left, please put it in your fridge. All right, put it in your fridge and it can stay there for 5 days. And you know that you can spray this on your hair every other day. Like you can choose to spray it today, skip tomorrow, and spray next tomorrow, so that you'll be able to use it all. Another pro tip is to please make this in a small quantity. Okay, don't make too much of it so that you can easily use it up. I don't know about you, but ingredient where I am is expensive, so don't make too much. Like the 1.5 spoon of fenugreek that I used, I later regretted adding the half on top because fenugreek swells up. All right, so 1 spoon would have been enough for the same quantity of water that I added. Don't use plenty, so that way you're not wasting your products. All right, after the 5-day or 5 to 7 day mark, you can discard it and make a fresh batch. This DIY works, I'm telling you, but you have to be consistent with it. All right, you have to be consistent and use it for at least 2 months. Right, use it consistently for 2 months. Apply on your scalp. You can blend it and use it as your pre-poo or deep conditioner. Just use it as often as you can and you're going to see results. All right guys, so let me know if you've tried this combo on your hair before. Have you tried these 2 ingredients together before? Let me know if you'll be trying it. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you've not given us a thumbs up yet, please consider giving us a thumbs up. Okay, it helps the growth of this channel. All right, and if you've not subscribed or you like DIY videos such as this one, please subscribe and join the family, and we welcome and appreciate you. Until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.